Good afternoon, my dear students. So welcome back in maths classes in fourth standard. So chapter means so in subtraction. So third chapter subtraction. That classes, students, that is a fourth standard. So in the last classes that I have discussed that just in that what think book. So I will show you the one model, but today I will explain that is chapter third in subtraction, students. Okay, so can you observe, students, in especially in subtractions. So I will start it, but so get set go means already I will explain that. Today classes means I will explanation that in exercise. So in a get set go means up to I will complete. I will explanation, but only left for in fill in the blanks. So fill in the blanks, and the third one, subtracted from. Especially in subtraction means given the from means, so from numbers, first numbers we have to write the down. So second number we have to write the upside. So already I told. So especially fourth is very easy because fourth means fill in the blanks. Students, that the page number already that. So again, 1 second, I will repeat. I will tell you now. So that is page number is that is a 38. Yes. So page number 38. Fill in the blanks incorrectly. So 3,725 minus 3,725. So because the both numbers is same. Now to what is the remaining of the answer? That 0 is a remaining to answer. Okay, students. So now. Next, so the properties of subtractions. So can you open the page number in 39? Especially in second chapters, I told that I think second chapter told that time I told students because that was the properties of in addition. So in the properties of addition, properties of multiplication, subtraction, and properties of division also. But here in your given to the properties of subtraction means, can you observe, students, especially that is what. So subtracted and mean handed the difference. So so now I will explain that, students. Can you observe that that is exercise 3a. That is exercise what? 3a. Students, can you observe that that perform the following subtraction. So subtractions, that is methods, so already you practiced in previous classes. So now that given the more number digits, that what the first mean, what is the first mean? Perform the following subtraction. Students, just to recall that in that is the method of subtraction means the subtractions method means you have to write the in place value. So right to left, you solve it. Yes. So now students, so first you have to I solve the A1, that first mean. Can you observe, students, given ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. First we have to write the place value. So place value means what? 72,978. That is what is the so 61,354. So you have to do the subtraction. Okay. So next in B, so given that ones, tens, 100,000. So that 10,000. So what is the 10,000, students? What is given that 19,000? So already this in your reader, page number 41, we already arranged the column with the that row wise numbers already arranged, students. Okay. So now, so what, students? 91,648, 80,137. So we have to do the subtraction. So So CN is very easy, but I will solve the D1. So C is I give 2 homework. So in once here, especially in D1, students one digit is given to more because that up to lakh, up to lakh. So can you observe that one stands, hundred, thousand, 10,000, afterwards lakh. So how many lakhs? That is 8 lakh, 40,200. Next 73,500. 73, sorry, 7 lakh 35,180. Students, can you observe this? So what is this? What is the name of this? So this is a subtractant, students. What is that? This is that is subtractant. Students, can you observe this? This is the what is the name of this means, you know. So that is 72,978 minus what is that? 61,354. Yes. So what is this? What is this name is subtractant. Yes, student. What is this? Subtractant. So subtractant. So students, this is what is the name of this? This is upside is a subtractant. So this is difference. This is what? So this is what? Difference. So how to you subtract the both numbers? Came the result. Came the result. Came the answers. So that is a what, students? So that is a mini-handed. So that is mini-handed. Okay. So can you observe, students? First, this steps how to solve the ones places. A number. What is the given? The one places 8 to 4. Can you observe, students? What is the upside number is 8. That is a bigger or smaller. 8 is a bigger, but 4 is a smaller. Because you have to do the subtraction, not that once or sometimes given the small digit means upside. Sometimes given the small digit means you have to take the side carry. But can you observe, students? If given big number means that is nothing worry. So how to solve the in a subtraction method? 8 minus 4. That is what? Remaining terms are, that is a 4. In next, the 7 minus 5, 2 is left. 9 minus 3, that is a 6. 2 minus 1, that is 1. So 6 minus 1. What is the answer, students? 11,624. That is answer is a remaining. Yes. So can you observe, students, here? So what is this? What is the name of this? This is a mini-handed. Okay, what is the name this? This is a mini-handed. So this is what, student? This is a mini-handed. Okay. That is mini-handed is. Okay. So what is this? What is the first? This what is the name? What is the name of the? In this means that is a subtractant. This is a difference. This is what? This is a mini-handed. Okay. So now can you observe, students? So next you have to subtract. That is that you have to find the mini-hand. Okay. Mini-hand means, can you observe in next V1 question? 8 minus 7, 1 is left. So because 10 places 1 minus 4 minus 3, 1 left, student. 6 minus 1 is 5. So 1 minus 0, that is 0. 9 minus 8 is 1. What is the left answer? That is 10,511. That is what is the answer? 10,511. Okay. So students, I solved that A and B, but C I will give the homework. Very easy. Already arrange the columns with the row. Just you have to subtract that in. You have to method. You use the subtraction method. Okay. So now, students, you can observe this. Given the some different number in upside, especially in upsides. Because you know here 0 minus 3, 0 minus 8, 2 minus 1, 0 minus 5, 4 minus 3, 8 minus 7. Because you know 8 lakh 40,200. 8 lakh 40,200. Here what? 7,35,183. So students, can you observe 0 minus 3? That is not possible because 0 is a less number. So how do you take the in the side number carry? So side number you have to what given students? They are given that 0, but you have to left. First you have to take this first carry. So left for here 1. What is that here? So 1 students here. So here what 0 plus, because here came that answer is 10, but you take the again side carry, here left 9. So here is what that is 10. Yes, 10 minus 3. What is the answer? 10 minus 3. Students, 10 minus 3 is 7. Yes. So 9 minus 8, that is 1. So 1 minus 1, that is possible or not? Yes, because that 1 minus 1 is, that is a left for 0. Now to write here 0. Yes, next students, 0 minus 5. This is not possible because 0, that 1 is 0. That because 0 is a smaller number, means you have to take the in the side number, that is carry. That you have to write the upside, you have to write in carry over here 3. So 10 minus 5 is 5. So 0 minus 3, that is, 3 minus 3 is 0, 8 minus 7 is 1. What is the left of the answer, students? So that is 1,05,070. Answer will be left. So students, just you have to given some, especially some different exercises in especially upside number. You know that you have to first you observe upside number. Given the smaller number means you have to take the side carry, but not given in the given the big number. First you have to compare that in up and down is given big or small. First you have to compare, afterwards you solve the exercises. Okay. So next students. Again, I will explain that E and F, because E and F also some different subtraction. So can you this? You have to write in your CW students. Don't forget. Okay. So next is E1 question. That E1 is what? E1 question, students, you know. 7 lakh. How many lakh? 7 lakh. This is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 lakh. Given the place value. So 7,000 minus 5 lakh. 7 lakh minus, that is 6 lakh 57,321. Students, this is some important, means that is a different subtraction. This is important, some different, that is a problem. You know, students, that is given to 0 minus 1, but you don't write 1, 0 minus 2 is 2, not, that is the wrong method. Students, can you observe that? So you have to observe that in ones places, 10 places, 100 places, 1,000 places, 10,000 places, in lakh places. In lakh places is given to number is left. What is the given the left? What is the number of here? That is a 7. So you have to take the size carries. So you have left in a washroom here 6. Yes, yes. But it came the number in that 10,000 places. So that is a 10. So 10 is again you have to take the side. You have to left here 9. So this is 10. So again you have to take the carry. So in same procedure, so you have left the 9, so you are 9. Okay. Next means 10. So again you are left for a 9. So last number, what is this, students? This is a 10. Because that afterwards number is not, means here only n of the numbers. Okay. Students, now you know that 10 minus 1. Yes. What is the number? Which number have to left in 10 minus 1? That is a 9. Have to write here 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. Next 9 minus 3. Students, 9 minus 3, that is a 6. So 9 minus 7, that is 2. Next students, you don't consider for this number, students, because already I will quote and take the side numbers, means you have to consider that upside numbers. Okay. 9 minus 5, that is the 4. 6 minus 6 is 0. What is the answer? The 42,679 answer is the left for in E1. So students, you know that F1 I will give the homework because very easy. So especially in the first main, in D1 and E question is some difference. So already I will explain the in a D and E1 question. So now already C1 question I will give the homework. So last question, that is what? So F question also I will give to today's homework. Okay. So now I will go to next main, that is a second main, students. So students, you know that second main. The second main is what? So given is very easy. So second main, can you observe, students? Find the difference, students. What the second main is, or find the difference. Students, you know that subtraction, subtraction, remaining or difference. So that is what is the symbol? You do the minus. Difference means what? That is the minus. Okay. So you are given what? If the mean handed, what is the value of the mean handed given that A1 question? What is the A1 question? You know, students, if the mean handed, that is a 25,677, but and students, and the subtractant, what is the subtractant? So that is 12,790. That is 12,790. Okay, students, can you observe that in? So what given the mini handed? So mini handed means you have to write here. Students, observe it. Mean handed is given 25,000. So subtracted handed is given to that 12,790. So how to write first the mean handed? The mean handed, the what is the value? 25,677. Next, the subtract handed. Subtract handed, what is the value? That is 12,790. So you do the difference. So how to subtract for that difference, students? You know that here given, but can you observe, students, especially to do the subtraction method? So subtraction method means, you know, students, they just you observe that especially in no, students, that is a 9, one second example that. So 9 minus 2 is equal to 10. So how do you take this handed, that mini handed minus subtract handed. So this is a mini handed, this is a subtract handed. Students, you know this is what? So that is equal to difference. Yes, this is a difference. So now to write in here 9 minus 2 is a 7. So what is this? This is the name is a mini handed. This is a subtract handed. 2 is a subtract handed. 7 is a difference. So this is a formula. So don't forget, students. Okay. Here given what mini handed in subtract handed. How to find the difference? You will use that. So in subtracted. So 7 minus 0, 7. So 7 minus is not. You have to take the side here. Here left for here 17. Here left for 5. Okay. 17 minus 9. So what is the left, students? That is 8. Okay. Next 5 minus 7. So 5 minus 7 is that is subtracted is possible or not possible? It is not possible because you have to take the side carry. Here left 4 in 4. This is 15. Students, 15 minus 7. So what is the value? 15 minus 7 is that is 8. So next 4 minus 2, because in both numbers is very easy. 4 minus 2 is 2. So 2 minus 1, what is the value? 12,887. What is the value of that is you have to find the difference. Okay, we have to write here difference. Next, students, in this second main in 2 questions given. So one question already I will explain. So second main in B1 question I will give the homework. So now I will go to in third main. Which number is? Which number is means given that less than number or greater than number, just you have to do the subtraction. Okay. So third main also now I will explain that. Next to which number is in third main. What is the third main? Which number is dash? So that means A1 question. What is the A? That is 1234 less than. Students, less than is that is how to do the subtraction. Less than of 9,999. How much is less than? So just you have to do the subtraction. Students, what is the question in first one? 1234 less than. Less than means you have to do the subtraction. Less than is that is use that is a minus symbol. So now to write the first solution. Is less than, so that is the you have to compare the both number. That is what 9,999. And how to write the place value. So that is what less than, which number how to use less than the compare to both, that is 1,200. So how much is less than, you do difference, because what is this? This is a, so already I will show you. So mean 100 subtract 100, so you find the difference. So find the difference means, so you do subtraction. 9 minus 4, that is what? Which number have to left? That is a 5 is left. Next is a 9 minus 3, that is a 6. So 9 minus 7, 12. So 9 minus 1, that is a 8. So what students, what you comparing in 1234 less than of the 9,999, which number is less than? You compare the both, that is a 8,765 number is the less than. Okay. So next question in B1, 1,100 less than 3,723. Yes, students, you will use the same method. I solved that. So in less than means you have to do the subtraction. But here given what? So B1 question and C. C some given that less than also. C also given less than, but B1 I will give the homework because in A and B that is the same method. You have to solve the in same steps in same method. So B1 question I will give the homework in this one. That is the third main in B1. Yes. So now I will solve the C. So C question what? 9,099 less than, that is 90,000. Yes. 90,000. Yes, you have to use the same procedure. So first you have to write the solution. So arrange the column wise. So what is the first? First you have to write the 90,000. Afterwards you write the upside and place value. Okay, that which is less than for that 9,099. So that is the difference means you compare the both numbers. That is answer. Okay. 9 minus 0 minus 9, that is not possible. Now you have to take the side carry. But in just you observe students, especially 1 place is 10 places, 100 and 10,000 given to 0. Better go to 10,000 places. So 10,000 places, just you observe that given that number means you have to take the first there in side carry. So what is the left for here? 8 is left. But here came the number that is a 10. So 10 means what to say? So you take the same procedure inside carry here left for 9, here come the 10. So you have to same apply in between method up to in two numbers. So here came the 10, but you don't, you have to write here a 10. Here afterwards means in the right side still not given the number means here only enough because you have to write for here 10. Okay. So 10 minus 1, that is 10 minus 9, that is 1 is left. So here 9 minus 9, but you don't consider for students because already you take on the side carry. Already I written that upside numbers. So 9 minus 9 is 0. So next 9 minus 0, that is left for 9. So 9 minus 9, 0. That what? That is the lost given only. Here not given the number because you have to consider 0. What is the left for here number? 8. So you write for 8. What is the result means? That is the difference. That is 80,900. 9,999 is students 9 here left 0 correct. What is the left? 80,900. 1 is left. Okay. So in D1 question, D1 is some different. So can you observe in D1? Less than 15 less than the smallest five-digit number. Students already followed that in 3 questions, but one question I will give the homework, but this question is some different. So just you recall that in 5-digit number, but 5 is the smallest number. First you have to write the smallest 5-digit number. What is the what is the number of in especially 5-digit? That is 10,000. So here question was given 15 less than the smallest 5-digit because already I written it smallest 5-digit number. So you have to write that in same procedure in subtraction method you have to use it. So first you have to write the 10,000. So ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So you have to do the subtraction in 15. So you do subtraction students. So you already has solved it. You have to here also use the same procedure. You have left for 0. So here 1, that is a 10. So again you take the side carry. Here left in 9. So in same. So here 9. Okay. So lost that is the 1 places. What is the 1 places value? That is a 10. So 10 minus 5. That is a 5. 9 minus 1. Yes, students, what is the number? What is the which number have to left? That is 8 is the left. So 9 is 9 because again 9 we are given the 0. What is the left of the answer means 9,985. You know that 15 less than the smallest 5-digit number is, that is 9,985. Okay, students, because first main already I gave the homework. So second main also B1 I will give homework. In the third main also B. Second main B. That today's homework. Second main B. Third main also B. So in first main is that is already first main is F1 question. This is today's homework. So next in this exercise remaining part. So tomorrow I will continue. I will explanation. students. Thank you. So next classes I will take the continue. Miss, first